You've been thinking about starting a business, but every time you look it up, it feels overwhelming. LLCs, websites, products, services. Where do you even start? Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Can you create a product, offer a service, or teach something? Start small and clear. Comment below what business idea you're thinking about. I'll reply with tips. Hey, I'm Latrice, and I help creators and entrepreneurs turn their ideas into organized, profitable businesses. If I had to start over today, with no money, no followers, no fancy software, which is exactly how I started, this is exactly what I do. First, don't start with what's trending. Start with what solves a problem. Ask yourself, what do people ask me for help with? What skills or knowledge do I have that others don't? What can I create, teach, or do that brings value? This could mean bringing a different perspective or teaching things in a way that only you can. When you look for templates, courses, or services, what was the one thing you felt it was lacking? You don't need a storefront. You need a solution. That's your business idea. Before building a website, begin to learn your audience. People always like to give the advice to ask your audience. And you should, but what do you do when you don't have an audience? I recommend starting with a series. That's what I did, and that built traction and engagement. And from there, I was able to tailor my resources and services around the conversations we were having in the comments. This is market research, especially if you are starting with no audience. And it's the secret to building something people want to buy. Now, here's what you need: your laptop, free tools like Google Docs, Canva, and Notion. A simple routine where you set aside a few hours a day and stick to them as much as you can. You don't have to do all the things on day one. But here's what I'd focus on first. Choose a name you can grow with. Set up a business email and free payment method like PayPal, Stripe, and Beacons AI. Beacons AI is the platform I use because it has all of these features and more in one platform. Use your state website to register when you're ready to earn. Now, you don't have to register as an LLC. You can register as a sole proprietor. First, then upgrade to an LLC if necessary. Don't let paperwork put you in a chokehold. Focus on getting your first sale. Start with just one platform: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Show up consistently and teach people something useful. Now, I do feel that starting with YouTube and TikTok is manageable, but do what's best for you. Answer common questions. Show behind the scenes, share your journey. Your behind the scenes can be a simple walkthrough of what your product or services are. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. The goal: visibility, not virality or perfection. Here's where people overcomplicate things. Start with one offer, just one. Some examples of this could be a Notion template, a 60-minute strategy call, or a digital product starter kit. Clarity sells. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Just be useful. Starting a business from scratch doesn't mean starting from stress. Start small, stay consistent, solve real problems. If you want more step-by-step help, join my email list, Glow Up Lab. I send weekly tips to help you grow your brand, organize your business, and launch your next offer. Let me know in the comments what other topics surrounding business and digital products you would like for me to cover. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.